Niwan Knang Menta, Hangni Ram Krishna Mission Higher Secondary School, Banikandu ya Vice Principal Jong School, Ban yo snow katukat na yak result kabakan ke school kalayo. Nitip Ram Krishna Mission Higher Secondary School Sohra, kalong ke school ke bumi kerteng mana usnam. Kalong ke jingtiban ke school menta usnam bu, ba armut ki kena ki yo opposition, uwei yo ek opposition ke bakhandai, bat uwei pat ek opposition ke bakhadar, ke merit list jong state. Kalong ru kabas hukuman na kabenta ke Ram Krishna Mission Secondary School Mylliem. Karu kalayo yak jaga haka merit list jong state haka pakaway ka kena school nakani ka school kalayo ay kakerdan ka bandria te mentang ini asnau khendiar na vice principal jong school halor ka result ka bagani ka school kala pemi.
This year in SSLC and boss examination 87 students appeared and all 87 students passed. Out of 87, 56 students got first division, 26 students got second division, and 5 students were declared simple pass. We have 100% results, and it's a moment of pride that in merit list from RKM Sohra, we have 2 students. Kushal Bagchi, who got 9th position in the merit list, and Revive Power, who got 12th position in the merit list. In addition to it, I am very pleased to share with you all that Kushal Bagchi got highest marks in Bengali, having scored 94 marks. And Revive Power got highest marks in mathematics in board, having scored 99 marks. I congratulate to all students in general and to these merit list holders, Kushal Bagchi and Revive Power in general. Also, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all teachers, all staff of the school. Above all, my heartfelt thanks goes to our Secretary Maharaj, who has been instrumental in developing such kind of excellence in terms of SSLC results. And we are also very glad having known that one of our feeder schools from Mylliem, one student got 6th position in the merit list, and this is really a remarkable achievement, especially in 2020 SSLC and post result. I congratulate the student from RKM Mylliem, the very best for her future life.
Kani kapor pat kita nak mat jongi ya way u kena na Ram Krishna Mission Higher Secondary School Sohra le okhet yo so bethiang hakani ko result SSLC tau de Kushal Bagchi ublayo ya ka kerdan ka bakhandai haka merit list rengkat bat u dan ru kpa jong u Sir Kumar Bagchi ibadai unang hikai hi hakani ko school. Tesi kentian argentian ini asngau na Kushal Bagchi halor kejing snow kejung kejing temu kejung nang ni syahmat bat kiwei kejing pen snow kiba ukwa ban penmi pertai.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I am Kushal Bagchi and he is my father. Actually, what can I say today? As I got the news that I have secured the 9th position, I was really happy, and I was I was feeling so much blessed to have a family like this. Like before I got my results, before I came to know my results, my father, my mother, they told me, see, you have nothing to worry about. Whatever happens, we will accept. We'll accept. Whatever marks you get, we'll accept it. So I'm really happy to get such kind of parents who never pressurize me for studying. I study when I like. And even I will thank my teachers, my friends. My teachers especially, they always helped me when I had problems, and even they are the inspirations of mine. They always inspired me. They taught me what is good, what is bad. They are the building blocks. I'm really thankful to my teachers and even my friends. They always showed me answers if I had problems, and even I want to thank Revive Power. He even got the position from our school, and Revive Power, he always helped me when I had maths problem. Even my father, he is a maths teacher, so he even helped me. And about my dreams, I can just say that I want to be a physicist in my future, because physics is such kind of subject which I always like. And actually, the main thing I like about physics is time. Time is something beautiful. There are many theories about time, and even I like the scientist Albert Einstein. He had a very very different type of thinking. He is one of my inspirations. I am inspired from him. He is my mentor, you can say. So I want to be a physicist in life, and that's the only aim I have. So that's all I had to say. Thank you.
Kublai Kushal, teman tapat si kentian yang Osno na I Kupajong I Kushal Sat Kumar Bakshi.
Good afternoon. Actually, it happens that everybody always told me that sir, your son is really good. Yes, he is doing better. He is brilliant. I have seen from his childhood. I like him as I like others. Yes, there is little difference that he is my blood connection, my son. Little difference is there. But especially, I do not get any separation about the other child and my child. I really like that all child should grow in the same way. But everybody, when they praise that sir, your son is, I don't know how I could say that my son is better than others. I see always same in the same way, same parameter. But yes, he is not like other notorious some activities other students I used to find that they are doing. He do not do that type of activities at home. I like him. I understand that others also, my colleagues also, because of their place, their blessings, he got this good result. And I say that others only this thing that you see, that if you have a dream, you must dream something, then you can achieve. Today, before the result, I saw that last night I could not sleep properly because I was just saw some excitement of my child. He is always telling, what will happen? I will get something. These things I understand that all the students are doing the same way. They all could not sleep. Their guardians cannot sleep. Before the result, that time I saw that he is become so much excited and nervous. I told you, see, Kushal, that you have done. Whatever you have done, I do not have anything to say that you do not study or you have done something wrong or something, you misuse your time. No, this time nothing I will say. You have done whatever you understand and whatever way you could do. You have done and I am satisfied. So now whatever the result is coming, we'll accept it. There is nothing different, nothing is there. And I would say that all the parents should be in the same way. Never pressurize your child. Everyone is got they have their talent and everything. Just you have to just praise. Our teacher community is so good. Always they are giving the positive idea. Especially, I would say that Sir Ballam, Sir Rajesh, then Sir Rajesh, our Vice Principal, then Sir Bhante, then other Miss Su, they always used to ask Kushal, hey Kushal, what you are doing? Doing better, no? Some of they used to talk with him in that way that, hey Tubelight, what you are doing? But yes, see, this type of, when the teachers, they laugh from their heart, then they can pass this type of comment. Simply, a person cannot say others in that way. So, I am very happy that such colleagues I know, they like my child. And I am happy for this, all the activities, even Revive. Revive is so bright. He is really a good student of mathematics. What he will study in future, that is up to his own choice. But I hope that if he goes in these directions, either physics or mathematics, that will be his best choice. But future will say who will be by him. Thank you.
Akabiaday bat uribait pawa, way pat ukna obalawan ranam bat burom. Ya kan school, daga junior ka jungu ka kertan ka ba khat ar ka merit list. Nakalyang ka jungi ngimla ba ni kandu yu na mar uday na Giantia Hills. Henry angait ba barok ya kan ma hu yu na mar ba hakan ka snam ka badang sudap uday uway na kikna ki ba shajiat ban ya kandu ya Prime Minister Narendra Modi ha Bangalore ban sakhi ya ka jing Pendai kendau jong Chandrayaan 2 yakaba omsim nala ban pen urlong Henry uribat ulayok kala pen kendu bat u Prime Minister jong geri ban ikran ban khana bat u bat len ba katu ke jengdat ke jong u ulawan ra nam kawan ra burom ya ke school bat ya ke jelahi borok away